Hi everyone, as I said on the video before, I'm just going to come on to show you the add-ons. These are the add-ons that you can get with the packs. There's this flowers and leaves. Look at the card, the topper, isn't it lovely? These I'm pretty sure are $1.50 each, the add-ons. And there's rosettes, decorated rosettes, they're lovely. And a gorgeous bag topper. And then we've got a set of 6 bows here. The pearls just come off that one in transit, but they're lovely. And a witch on a broom. It's brilliant. And then there's these journal card packs as well. These are in Leslie's shop. So I'm just going to open them with one hand. Just hold on a minute. I'll open one to show you. Ooh. These are 3x4 journal cards. They're absolutely lovely and they're perfect for junk journaling or your scrapbooking. If you don't want to do a cluster embellishment, these are just fantastic. I absolutely love these. These are brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So what I was meaning was, if you didn't want to do a cluster embellishment, then instead you could put those down. It's mats. So you've got it already done for you, basically. You just have to stick it down on your scrapbook page. But they're fantastic little packs. Like I say, they're all in Leslie's shop. I will put the link down below so you can see them. And you get absolutely loads of flowers and leaves in this pack. It's absolutely wonderful. Right, so those are add-ons and journal cards. I thought I'd share them with you because I don't want you to miss out, because they are fantastic. So there we have it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.